In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use limit orders in crypto, specifically on platforms like Binance and Bybit. If you're trading cryptocurrency and want a little more control over your transactions, learning how to place a limit order is essential. Unlike market orders, which execute immediately at the current market price, limit orders allow you to specify the exact price at which you want to buy or sell a cryptocurrency. This can be particularly useful in volatile markets where prices can fluctuate significantly within a short period. To start, open the trading page on your chosen cryptocurrency exchange, whether it's Binance, Bybit, or another platform you trust. Once you're on the trading page, you'll likely see several options and settings. Navigate to where you can select your order type. This is an important step as it allows you to customize how your trade will be executed. From here, choose limit order as your preferred order type. Limit orders give you the flexibility to buy or sell at a price you set, rather than at whatever the current market rate happens to be. Next, you'll need to enter the specifics of your transaction. This involves specifying the price at which you wish to buy or sell the cryptocurrency and the amount you want to trade. This part requires careful consideration. You may want to analyze current market trends or consider your financial goals to decide on the price that works best for you. Once you've determined those details, input them into the appropriate fields provided by the exchange. Now it's time to place your order. Depending on whether you're buying or selling, click either the buy or sell button. It's as simple as that. Clicking these buttons confirms your intention to trade at the price and amount you've entered. At this point, your order will be logged into the system, but unlike market orders, it won't execute immediately. Instead, it will sit in the order book waiting for the market conditions to match your criteria. This brings us to the final step. Patience. With a limit order, you need to wait for the market to reach your specified price. Once the market hits the price you've set, your order will fill automatically. This means you'll get exactly the price you want, provided that the market cooperates. One of the benefits of this approach is that it can potentially lead to better prices if you're willing to wait. But be mindful that there's also a risk your order may not fill if the market doesn't reach your price. And there you have it. Using limit orders in crypto trading can be a useful tool to manage your trades more effectively. By controlling your buy and sell prices, you're taking a strategic approach to trading in what can often be a highly volatile market. Thanks for joining me today and happy trading.